What's this?
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but it's usually Jordi, and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we're going to make 추억의 도시락. So many of you might ask, what is 추억의 도시락? Some of you might be familiar with this style of lunchbox because it was shown in one of the most popular Korean TV shows, Squid Game. Even while I was watching the episode, I was so craving for this lunchbox, so I decided to give it a try here in India. The reason why they call it the lunchbox of the memory is that probably my parents' generations or even like the older generations, this kind of lunchbox was kind of popular during their school years. I'm sure the young generations nowadays, they don't really have this kind of lunchbox, but still I really love this old style lunchbox and I can't wait to make and try it here in India. Alright, so let's get started.
You wanna eat the ham? You wanna eat the ham? You have tuna. You don't need ham.
Alright, so let's start making rice first. I found the perfect rice for Korean food in general, which is jasmine rice. I found this Thai jasmine rice in the supermarket and the texture is very similar to the one I used to have in Korea. So I'm going to use this Thai jasmine rice. Alright, so when you make the jasmine rice, one tip about the amount of the water is that when you put your hand slightly on the rice, the water shouldn't be over here. So this is kind of small tip that I learned from my mom. Jordi doesn't really like the idea, but I do it anyway every time I make a rice. Okay. You need to put the lid on. When it starts boiling, we're gonna decrease the temperature. So while making rice, we're gonna make stir-fried kimchi. So the main ingredients of the stir-fried kimchi is, of course, the kimchi. If you want to know how to make Korean fermented cabbage, the kimchi, please check the video right up here. I made another batch of kimchi like 3 weeks ago and it seems like it fermented quite well. So I can't wait to make the stir-fried kimchi with this well-fermented kimchi. Oh, it smells so good. I can't deny, I'm Korean. Good. So normally we use the perilla oil. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but I couldn't find that in the supermarket, so we're gonna just use the sesame oil. I think the taste would be similar, but let's give it a try because I couldn't find it in the supermarket. The size of the kimchi is still a bit big, so I'm gonna just cut. This is enough, and just mix a bit more. And it's ready. Let's start fry. Pretty much done. Let me just give it a try. Oh man, this is good. Really good. Alright, so the 10 minutes have passed and let's see how it looks. Ooh, it looks good. I'm gonna turn this off. And then leave it just like this another 10 minutes. Then it's done. The rice is done. Alright, and now I'm gonna make something that I've never made before in my life, which is a dried anchovy stir fry. I couldn't find the dried anchovy here in the supermarket, so what I found is these dry prawns. I'm not sure if I can substitute anchovy with prawns, but I feel like the taste would be pretty much similar. I'm not really sure, but let's just give it a try. Wish me good luck. A little bit of oil. Oh, the smell is really strong. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to filter these just to remove the small particles underneath. I don't think there's not much thing here. I'm not sure if this process was necessary because I'm just following the recipe in case I use the dried anchovy. But it seems like there's not much small particles stuff. I think you can probably skip this process. Alright, let's mix this with other sauce. Okay, so as soon as I put the honey, I just turned off the heat. Yeah, let's give it a try. It's good. I mean, it's a different kind, like shrimp, anchovy, it's not the same. But the texture-wise is very similar to the dried anchovy peanut stir fry I used to have in Korea. It's pretty nice. Here. Okay, up next we're gonna make ham. Jordy and I normally really buy or cook this kind of ham, but we just bought this just to make the Squid Game lunchbox. It doesn't really have to be like this kind, like a square ham. You can also use the round shaped ham and you can just cut it and use it. But we couldn't find different type of ham. We could only find this one in the supermarket, so we're gonna use these. Oh man. Not too thin. I feel so strange just looking at these ham because last time I had this kind of ham was like a long time ago. But anyway, we're gonna use this to make the 추억의 도시락. Smells good, but I even forgot how to cook them. Is it the right way? Okay. Ooh, nice! Alright guys, we are almost done. We don't have proper lunchbox, so we're gonna just use this container. It's not the right type of the container we should be using, but we don't have choice, so. Oh, and the fried egg.
I know, I think. Yeah. Doshirak, right?
Have you tried this?
I've tried Doshirak not many times, but a few times, yeah.
Like this type of Doshirak, like 추억의 도시락, we call it.
Not glass Doshirak, no, it was metal, golden, kind of gold color. So what? Should I shake or can I take a look first?
Yeah. Take a look first.
Oh, okay. Let's analyze what we have here. We have fried egg, it's a must. Kimchi, spam ham, peanuts, and what is that?
That
Anchovies?
Oh, that's shrimp. Actually, I couldn't get
Oh.
anchovies, so
Smells pretty similar. Smells fishy, of course. And rice below. That's it.
Yeah,
no
that's
sauce,
it.
no soy sauce.
very simple. Yeah.
Gonna discover. Okay, that's okay.
Now you're supposed to shake. I'm not sure how this would work because we're not using the right container.
Okay, let's make sure it's well closed. You don't want to open it in the middle of the shake, right? Shake time.
Oh my god, that's really well mixed.
Doshirak shaker. You think?
job.
Doshirak shaker.
Wow.
Yes, Sekyung is proud of me. So, hands or
No.
provide
Spoon, right?
spoon better than chopsticks.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna put a little bit of this one that stayed on the. Whoop. So, what's the name? Doshirak what?
The name is 추억의 도시락, the
What's 추억의?
lunchbox of the memory.
Oh, okay. Let's grab a spoon with a bit of everything. I think I'm catching everything. Let's go. That's nice. The spam, nice there. I feel the peanuts. A bit crunchy there. Nice. It's not that one flavor overlaps the other. It's very well balanced, I would say. I like the nutty touch of the peanuts, and of course the greasy spam, however you wanna call it. Could be a bit more spicy. I'm not sure if I didn't catch any chunk of kimchi yet, but it feels mildly spicy. Could be a bit more. Maybe I need to find the right piece of kimchi like here. Nice. And then there's shrimp. Now I got some shrimp. I'm not very into strong flavor fish like those anchovies, those shrimps. But I think it's a must flavor to include in many Korean dishes actually. But it's not my favorite. I wouldn't have like a spoon of that. It's not really. Kind of simple dish, I guess. I mean, just a few separate things, shake them together, boom, done. Nice.
I'm getting hungry, man.
Get ready, because you're next.
Alright, so Jordi said it's not spicy enough, so I put a little bit of kimchi here. Okay, so let's give it a try. A little bit of everything. I have some peanuts, kimchi, eggs, maybe spam here as well. Nice! I like it. It's a mix of different kind of flavors. The saltiness, sweetness, and nutty flavor coming from the peanuts. Very nice. I don't know what makes the difference. It's slightly different from what I tried in Korea. Of course, I use a different ingredients, but overall, I think it's quite similar to what I had in Korea. It's not that much different. Guys, we're really sorry that the power just shut down, so we don't have any light. But anyway, I'm really satisfied with what I made today. Hope you guys also enjoyed this recipe, and if you like this episode, please click like and share this episode with your friends and families, and also make sure to subscribe to watch more videos like this. Alright, so I will see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕! Good girl. Korean TV shows Squid Box. Squid Box. Jordi always thinks this is some kind of bullshit.